Hey everyone, welcome back to PX Mentor, your go-to place for everything Figma. Today, we've dropped some exciting new updates around variable width stroke. These are quality of life improvements designed to make your design process smoother and faster. Let's dive right in. First, draw a line. So what you're looking at here is a uniform width stroke. And if you take a look at the width profile section, yes, I'm right here inside Figma Draw, you'll now notice a set of live previews as you drop down the options. Super handy, right? Let's say you've selected a stroke that looks good, but you want to tweak it just a little. Now, thanks to the new Edit Width Profile button, you can jump straight into variable width editing mode. This gives you precise control to adjust the stroke widths directly. Let's say you want something in between the presets, like a width of 1.5. All you need to do is click into the pink control box and type 1.5. Just like that. Done. Even better, double-clicking brings you into width editing as well, so precision editing is smoother than ever. Here's another neat trick. Hold Shift and select two width points. Now you can resize them together, keeping everything symmetrical. This is super useful when you're working with balanced strokes. Now check this out. I'm going to create something a little wild just for fun. You'll see a new feature called Width Profile Preview. Not only do you get all the default profiles, but your custom profiles will show up in the list too. That's a game changer for reusing styles. Another great update, you can now tab through width points. Just click on one and hit tab to cycle through them. Want to go back? Use Shift plus Tab. It's perfect for those of you who love precision editing. And yes, you can even select multiple points and use Tab with them too. Now, let's apply all of this to a real-world example with our little friend, FigPal. So, Otto's eyes, they're looking a bit flat with that uniform width stroke. Let's give them more dimension. Edit the vector and switch to the variable width tool. I'll drop in a width point and drag it out. Notice how it's snapping? That's because the snap to pixel grid preference is enabled. If I turn that off, I get full fluid control, much better for finessing small adjustments. But don't worry, if you like having snap to pixel turned on, there's a trick for you too. While resizing with points, just hold Control or Command and it'll temporarily ignore that setting. Super handy. Now, let's say I want to apply this exact stroke style to the other eye. I'll just copy the properties, select the other stroke and paste them in. Done. That's how you get those beautifully bulbous eyes. Lastly, just a quick look at what you can create with variable width strokes. I've been sketching some Mickey Mouse style gloves, peace symbols, illustrations. The possibilities are huge. Here's one example. Notice how this thumb looks a bit stiff? Let's add a variable width stroke to give it some life. Boom! That's it. Looks way more organic. Want to make changes? Just jump back in with the width editor and adjust to perfection. You can even use that control key trick if needed. Select the frame, hit Enter, and then hit Enter again to enable vector mode. Select Paint and apply the paint. Now you can change the black color to yellow or any color you want. And there you go. Your Mickey Mouse style gloves are now colored. So Those are the latest updates to Figma Draw. I hope they make your workflow easier and more fun. If you spot any bugs or have suggestions, let us know online. We're always listening. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep creating with PX Mentor.